Welcome, in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button. Then swipe right on the power off slider to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. When the INFINIX logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons. Now we need to press and hold the power button and then press volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and press volume up, and we enter the recovery menu. Let's use the volume down button to scroll down and select the option called Reboot to Bootloader, then press the power button to confirm. And as you can see, we enter the Fastboot mode. To exit this mode, we need to press and hold the power button until the device restarts basically. So press and hold power. And when the screen goes black and the INFINIX logo appears on the screen, you can release the power button. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.